All right, here we are. We're with a color chart here. It's very sunny today. You can manipulate the audio. Here's the actual chart of the colors that we have, so you can see the quality. It's a 4K. I'm about 8 feet away from the camera. It's working very well. We're also going to do a night shot on it, so you guys can see the quality. But it's a little hot and sunny today, and you can see pretty much anything on the 4K camera right now. We got the highest resolution on it. Alright, we're going to test the audio at night. This is pretty much working with all the lights off. You get it one or two lights in through here, but this is the audio at night, and you're able to identify anybody who walks into the actual camera. So, very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Today we're going to bring a smart hybrid light fixture turret camera. This is a network camera. We'll take a look at a couple of features that you should be aware of. Right now I'm actually going to open it up so I can actually put a memory card, because there's a slot for an SD card, a MicroSD card. They give you a template where you're going to have to post it anywhere you want, a manual, the actual tool to remove the actual backing. So let's take a look at some of the features. All right, let's take a look at the features on the camera itself. The camera itself has two LED lights in here, so it acts like a floodlight too, also indicating if there's somebody passing by. It has an AI built-in system. It's about 8 megabytes resolution. Supports kind of human and vehicle detection. It's a smart hybrid. It's about IP67 waterproof, so you can leave it out there. Not submergible. It has two-way audio. It has night vision, day, and of course, day mode. To set up, it's very simple. You got to remove this part of the ring here. Once you remove that, they give you the template where you have to make your drills, drill the spot, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to set it up today. We're actually going to remove the back end, which they give you the proper tools here. So I'm not going to show you it has a barcode and a serial number that you need to require if you're going to use the application too. Now, in the back of it, it does have a slot here. It does come with either a power source, or you could use a PoE, power over Ethernet, and set it up. So we're going to use power over Ethernet, get this going. We're going to set it up indoors first before we take it outdoors. So let's go ahead and do that. We have our camera set up really high up here. I'm going to post it just a little bit out. And this is pointing to an area, area there in my backyard. And we're going to set that up, and we're going to test it out and see how well it works. And I know it's a little bit off. I'm going to put it on with a backing, with a better backing place, but it's really high up there. It's good. Captures the whole backyard. All right, let's take a look at the actual system itself. We're going to log in, and when you log in, it's going to ask you for creating a password. This is the browser, the GUI, through the actual interface through the actual browser. All right, let me show you the interface on the GUI itself. This is through a browser, like I said. You got preset options here, but we don't have an adjustable moving camera, so these are not going to be valid for this camera. You have the time, you have the camera number 1. It does have AI, the identification of either a car or human that passes by through here. Now, let's take a look at the actual system itself, the playback. The playback is a simple GUI setup that they have. So if you're gonna have a DVR, or you want to be able to play, if you guys notice, there's a timeline here that we recorded all day, and there's dates in here. And then you could go back and change it to whatever date you have. Right now, it's saving directly to the cloud, to the system itself, or to the SD card that we currently have. And also, you could save into a local drive, a DVR, or your computer if you want. All right, so that's a couple things. If you want to play right now, it's going to show you the playtime a little bit. I could go back to earlier in the daytime, if you guys can see. Let's get it. Let me see. So I'm going to go one day back. Look at that, guys. My cat walking out. So it didn't identify as a human or anything. This is my cat walking in the backyard. So we're able to see his activities at night to make sure that he's okay, or what is he doing. He's been bringing certain animals at night here, and we just want to make sure that he's okay, because there's a lot of coyotes in the back, in houses, people's houses. Want to make sure that you're taking care of your pets here. Or if you have this in front of your car, a lot of break-ins, you want to make sure you have the proper security. This is a perfect way. Now, besides the playback, we're going to go back into configurations. Your entire network, your maintenance, security, and user management. This one's great if you want to add different people to the actual GUI itself. The network is just going to show your IP address and pretty much a lot of things that you could change, manipulate. And also, if you're into have a network that doesn't have a PoE switch, but you could enable it, or I mean, you would have to pinpoint the IP and the gateway and so forth. This is where you change it. Now, right now we have a static IP, but if you want a DHCP, you could change it here. Advanced settings, and then odd video and audio. This is where you want to record what how many frames per second you want to record. High quality, we're recording at 4K if you guys can see it, but you could lower it down. Images, where we don't have anything right now, but you could change, manipulate the brightness and make it a little bit better contrast and so forth. Events, this is what it's going to capture, pretty much a square that's going to be capturing the area. And then storage, right now we do have a live view, and we're going to show you guys my dog in the backyard. He just went to the back right now in a bit, and we're able to see a live view. And it just, when you do live view, it just takes a bit, and there he goes. So the whole GUI, interface GUI, is very simple, easy to use. It's a plug and play. As long as you have a PoE or you have existing power, you can make this work easier for you. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.